Hello viewers, welcome back to Ajmera Fashion. This is your friend Vaishnavi Chauhan, and in today's video I am going to show you the collection of Patola silk sari, also known as a Pochampalli. Now these both saris have a lots of similarities, so we can compare that these saris are kind of same. So let's move forward and let's see the first sample of our today's video, and that is going to be very traditional Pochampalli sari with a cotton silk base. So let's just open this sari. So look, you can see this sari, it is very pure, and you can see the very divine kind of work over it. That is the traditional Pochampalli work. I want to show you the lace border over here. You can see it is very pretty and elegant same way, and color combinations are really pretty and attractive. So want to know about Pochampalli saris and want to know about Ajmera fashion, what you can do? You can just contact us. Further information we will provide you directly. Let's move forward and let's see the blouse piece. So you are getting plain blouse piece over here because overall sari has a very heavy kind of designs, motifs. So that's why we have kept a plain blouse piece over here. Let's move forward and let's see the another beautiful pattern. And that is, as I told you, today we are just watching Pochampalli traditional sari. So let's just open this brilliant piece with the great color combination. Wow. Now this particular Pochampalli sari has two kind of motifs, two kind of fabric we have used here. First one is golden zari and second one is multi-thread. So you can see this goldenish effect, that is zari, and except that we have this thread, tone to tone thread we have used, and we have made this Pochampalli design over here. So do you know about Pochampalli? It is very traditional and it is very authentic sari, and usually female loves to wear this kind of saris in South India most. So very pretty and elegant sari coming with the blouse piece and coming with the lots of colors. Let's move forward and let's see the another sari over here. And this sari, so it is also a Pochampalli. Now you can see the color combination. Contrast thread we have used here, contrast thread and golden zari, and color is also you are getting off-white color, kind of goldenish color we are providing you. And in this particular catalog we have lots of color, design, patterns, chart. And if I talk about the fabric, so quality of the fabric, that is really good, and texture of the fabric, that is also very good. I want to show you the lace border over here. You can see this is the lace border, so very attractive. I want to show you the pallu pattern. So look at here, this is the pallu you are getting. This is also coming with the lace border and with the blouse piece. We have lots of varieties with blouse piece, without blouse piece, with a catalog, without catalog, and lots of. So want to see that collection? It's my humble request, direct contact us, because you can see in my background there are lots of patterns, lots of varieties, color chart. So do you really think it's possible to show everything in just one video? No, it's really not possible, because we have a time limit, and in that time limit I have to show everything whatever possible. So that's why direct contact us. We will send you a PDF, and in that PDF you will get a different kind of catalog, and there is a mention that what is the exactly price, what is the starting range, then what is the fabric, how you can sell to your customers, what is the margin you can add. So there are lots of answers we give to you online, or else you are coming here personally. So we provide you a salesman, and that salesman helps you to purchasing. That salesman gives you the guidance about business, he gives tips and tricks, and that is your language salesman. We have Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam, Hindi, Marathi, Punjabi, Bengali, Sindhi, all languages salesman here. So it is plus point for you. We are not just giving you the clothes, but also the knowledge about clothes, the knowledge about how to sell, the knowledge about your business. So that is a really beneficial for all of you. So this was our piece. Let's move forward and let's see the blouse piece over here. Look, you are getting full brocade blouse piece with it. You can see this is very unique kind of blouse piece we are providing you with the multi kind of zari work. Let's move forward and let's see the another pattern over here. So it is also very unique, coming with the weaving work, jacquard weaving we have done here, and you can see the color, very unique color we are providing you. You can see very pretty pattern over here, and overall sari is very attractive and elegant. Isn't this very pretty, guys? Want to know price, want to order online, direct contact us. Today we are just watching a Pochampalli sari, but except this we have lots of varieties just like sari, kurti, lehenga, nighty, dress materials, ladies undergarment, blouse, petticoat, menswear, kidswear, and lots of varieties. So that it's not possible to show everything in just one video, so it's my humble request, direct contact us. This was a very pretty piece. I want to show you the blouse piece over here. So let's just see the blouse piece. Look, this is the blouse piece on a heavy jacquard base. Jacquard work we've done here with a great quality of work. So let's move forward and let's see the another pattern over here. So this piece is coming with the box packing. We have different kind of packing, box packing, polythene packing, all kind of. So let's just open this piece. Something this kind of packaging we have done here, and it has a very traditional kind of motif, just like elephant motif and peacock motif. Let's open this piece, and wow, color is very unique. Look at this traditional masterpiece over here. Overall sari has motifs of elephant and peacock, and in the pallu you can see, in the pallu we are providing with the traditional Pochampalli work. So very elegant, very brilliant piece. I want to show you one catalog over here, that not single piece is available. You have to purchase everything set wise. Only B2B you can join us, not single pieces available. If you want to start your business, now it's on you. You want to sell it from your home, or else you want to sell it from shop, it's upon you. But want to sell, want to do your cloth business, only then you can join us. Let's move, let's see the catalog. 1 2 3 4 and 5, set of 5 pieces. And this is the catalog, and in one catalog you are getting 5 pieces. So 5 colors are different and patterns are same. If you want different color, different design, you will get that too. So friends, we have lots of patterns. Want to see that collection, direct contact us. For online order, you have to just message us on WhatsApp or Telegram. We will help you further to purchasing and in the selection process too. So this was our video about Pochampalli sarees. If this video was informative for you, don't forget to like this video, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. This is your friend Vaishnavi Chauhan signing off.